happening, Ashwini?
in the way
Is that happening, Ashwini? Is Shashi Tharoor only being punished because he represented India and not the Congress party, because he was told, and as was Shashi Tharoor, that, you know, talk about the Congress party, and he said, no, I will represent India. Is that the problem that is happening in the Congress party? Parivar Bhakti over Desh Bhakti?
Navika ji, Congress is a democratic party where people with difference of opinion can coexist together and work for national interest, can coexist together and work for social justice. There is no different models in Congress.
Social justice?
There is only one model in Congress.
Have you seen the advertisement? Mallikarjun Kharge ji ko?
I'll answer that. I'll answer that also, because you put up that. I'll answer that. So Congress is a democratic party where people with different opinions can actually put their opinion. In fact, Shehzad fought election against Rahul Gandhi ji when he was in Congress, and that is allowed in Congress. I am very sure he cannot do that even for a state election in BJP. So now coming back to the poster, it was not a manifesto, it was not an official Congress per se manifesto where it was more like a wishing to an individual where family was given a more preference. That's it. Why are you making it a political poster? It was a birthday wish to Rahul Gandhi. His family was included.
So in the birthday wish, you can actually insult the party president.
There's no insult in that.
You can reduce his importance. You think he would not, as an elder, bless Rahul Gandhi?
This is the problem when you see things with a different specs.
भैया मैंने स्पेक्स उतार दी, आप भी अपनी उतार दीजिए, सीधा दिखेगा।
नहीं, मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ नाविका जी, एक बर्थडे विश था राहुल गांधी जी के लिए, उनका कोई ऑफिशियल मैनिफेस्टो नहीं था पार्टी का।
Shehzad, you're making a mountain out of a molehill.
First of all, Navika, let me congratulate you on one thing you've not noticed in your debate. I was expelled from Congress. Sanjay suspended from Congress, he is present Congress, and Vivek is future of Congress. तो चारों कांग्रेस से कनेक्टेड है। अब दूसरी बात, अश्विनी जी किस सीधे मुंह से बोलते हैं कि वी आर हैविंग डेमोक्रेसी? वन हैज बीन सस्पेंडेड फॉर राइटिंग आर्टिकल, वन वाज एक्सपेल्ड फॉर सेइंग दैट लेट्स हैव इलेक्शन, एंड यू आर सेइंग डेमोक्रेसी है पार्टी में। अरे इमरजेंसी का 50 इयर्स आ रहा है, कुछ तो शर्म करो अश्विनी जी। अच्छा, नाउ लेट्स कम टू द थरूर पॉइंट। नाउ थरूर जी का इन्होंने बोला कि वी विल सॉर्ट इट आउट प्राइवेटली, जैसे वही डीकेएस वर्सेस सिद्धरमैया प्राइवेटली सॉर्ट आउट हुआ, गहलोत पायलट वाला भी बहुत प्राइवेटली, एंड वो हिमाचल में वो हमारी प्रतिभा जी वर्सेस सुक्खू जी भी बड़ा प्राइवेटली हो रहा। पंजाब में तो सिद्धू जी वर्सेस अमरिंदर जी इतना प्राइवेटली हो गया कि केरला की याद ही नहीं आई। ऐसे प्राइवेटली करते सब लोग। पर आखिरी बात मैं बताना चाहता हूँ, देखिए नाविका जी, इफ यू पुट द परिवार अबव पार्टी देन तो ठीक है, ये ऐड की तरह, बट इफ यू पुट nation first, not parivar, if you put desh first, not dal, then you are out of like Shashi Tharoor, or you are made small like Khadge ji को तो ऐसे nomination में भी बाहर खड़ा कर देता। And last 10 seconds, Ashwini ji, trick question. Shashi Tharoor has wished Rahul Gandhi today? Check Twitter.
I'll have to.
Okay. Is there a story there?
I don't
Has
know.
he wished? I'm asking ना, ये बोल रहे संजय झा कहाँ गए? संजय झा has Shashi Tharoor wished Rahul Gandhi?
Who create stories?
Sir, please, 1 second. If I'm creating, you read out the tweet. Shashi Tharoor का tweet read out कर दो.
Vivek is checking. Vivek. Patriotism is the bad word in the Congress party. Question everybody is asking tonight.
हो सकता है क्या?
अरे भाई वो गले मिलके हो सकता है गले मिलके बर्थडे विश करके आए हो। इनको शहजाद पूना वालों को क्या लेना देना?
अच्छा,
हाउ डज ही नो?
भारतीय जनता पार्टी की तरह
हैव टू बी ऑन द ट्विटर ना।
वो बाइपो में तो नहीं बुलाया।
I'm not interested in who's wished whom on Twitter.